Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by prepping the Samsung Galaxy J7 so the Play Store can update without interruptions. First, make sure your battery is at least 20% and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. This prevents mobile data charges and failed downloads. Next, free about 100 megabytes of space if storage is tight. Apps or cached data are easiest to clear. Once done, open Settings and check About Phone to confirm your J7 model, so you can follow model-specific steps later. Now you'll perform the middle steps that actually refresh the Play Store. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Google Play Store and clear cache first, then data if the app misbehaves. This removes temporary corruption while preserving your account. If issues persist, open the Play Store app, tap the three-dot menu and choose Uninstall Updates to revert to the factory version. Once that's done, reboot the device to clear system locks. When the store reopens, it will automatically download the latest update. Finish by verifying the Play Store updated and restoring normal operation. Open the Play Store, go to Settings and check the version number to confirm the update applied. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and let Play Services sync any pending changes. If an app still fails to update, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds or remove, and then re-add your Google account to force a fresh connection. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot and retry after toggling Wi-Fi to eliminate transient network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.